Okay, now I'm going to discuss about the pay-per-click. That means PPC campaign and how to make the PPC campaign ad into Google AdWords. First, what is meant by PPC? Okay, PPC is like a kind of a online advertisement. PPC is kind of a online make a advertisement by spending some amount of money through the Google. Okay, so that means. First, we should difference between we know the difference between the what is search engine marketing and what is PPC. Okay, search engine marketing is nothing but we make our the website position on top page on search engine by implement the on page and off page strategy, some kind of link building strategy in make a website result on through organic search. But it's totally different from the PPC. PPC is there is no back-end work and there is no any link building work to make the website placed on the top page of the Google. You should spend some money for your make the PPC advertisement through the advertisement to make a website ad in inorganic result. It's a small difference between the SEM and the PPC. SEM is make a website through organic result, and the PPC is make a website advertisement through inorganic result. Okay, so these are the PPC description, and then first the main thing of PPC is quality score. What is meant by quality score? Quality score is determines the quality of the PPC ad. If your PPC ad having high quality score means that PPC will become the first place of the inorganic result, and it getting more CTR. CTR means click through rate. Okay. For example, if the exact definition of quality score is your ad having the keywords, description, and the quality landing page means if when the customers or users expecting the exact keywords and the exact quality landing pages and the keywords means that your Facebook campaign will come the first person. Okay, it simply means your ad will be satisfy the customer expectation. Okay, if for example if I am searching the web design company and for main this is mobile responsive web design means if I click your ad means your ad will determines the if your ad will give the details regarding mobile web design, that is the correct landing pages of the Facebook set, that pay-per-click advertisement. You understand so far? First your ad will satisfy the customer expectation, so the website your ad will having the actual keywords, actual quality landing pages and the description. That is the main thing of quality score. If your ad having high quality score means your ad will be displayed in the top place of the inorganic result in Google search engine. Like that, for it's only determine the position of the ad in the search result. Quality score is determined the combination of factor. If you have this factor means your ad will be the high position or top position on the search result. If first one is click through rate. Click through rate means if your ad having high number of click by the user means your quality score will be increased. Okay, if more than people will be clicking your ad means your ad having more visibility among the people, and then your click-through rate is high. And second one is relevance of the keyword to this ad group. If for example if users using the own kind of keywords, that same keywords if your ad having means that's the relevant keywords. Okay, so same keywords by using the people users and the having the Google AdWords your ad means that is the relevant keywords. And third one is landing page quality. First, you should optimize the landing page of your ad. Okay, landing page is nothing but other users entering your page through the any links or the click or the other website. If a website giving the exact landing page to the users means that is the quality landing pages. If users wants to get the information regarding some kind of general information means your ad would be give the exact information to the consumers. That is the landing page optimization. And fourth one is relevance of your ad text. Ad text means the same of landing pages. If whatever the customer expectation in getting information, that is giving the same information by the your PPC ad. And historical account performance, I don't know this about one. And then the major point of how to choose your cost to your PPC ad. Okay, for this question we can't give the exact answer to this question. Okay, this is like the gambling. In gambling we don't know what our competitors spending some money to your ad. Okay, but we can reduce our amount by optimizing some factors in your ad. I tell the kind of factors to reduce your ad, but it is not exactly to make the amount to your ad. Okay. First one is structure your campaigns properly. Structure means in PPC ad they contain some kind of keywords only available in that ad and some kind of description. The number of text ad only is available. So you should optimize your keyword, the character length and the description length. Okay, that is if you correctly optimize the structure means your ad having the good quality score. And second one is long tail keywords. Long tail keywords having only low amount of competitors. Okay, low amount of competitors means that keywords you should spend some low amount of money to that long tail keywords. Okay, short tail keywords means only most of people using the keywords to get the information. So you should spend some more money to optimize your ad specific to the keywords. Okay, so when you choosing the long tail keywords means it may spend some low amount of money to your ad. Okay,
and we should choose a
but long tail keywords it's not good for the business purpose. Okay, most of business people use only the short tail keywords. So long tail keywords not getting business through your ad. Okay,
we can reduce,
but we can reduce the cost amount by using the long tail keywords only.
but it's not valid.
Yes. And creating dedicated landing pages. It's also the making the quality landing pages to your ad. Okay, and you should advanced ad scheduling. Advanced ad scheduling means you should make the time schedule display your ads by the particular people's time. In only peak times only some people using the browser to getting the information or any other getting the website. Okay, if you and another one is use the advanced scheduling. Scheduling is nothing but we display our ads while more amount of people in the online browsers. Okay, so that time will get a chance to display our ads to so many people, and maybe that people will click on our
The
ad.
peak times want to
Peak times, yes. And monitor and improve your ad score. It's the same the quality score. You should optimize your the ad quality score. Apart from I will tell the what is the major part of to improve the quality score to your ad. Okay. And structure of Google AdWords. Okay. On Google account we can handle the 25 campaigns in one Google account. Okay, more than 25 we can't handle the same account in one account. Okay, and again in per 100 ad groups we can maintain the one single ad campaign. So in one Google account we can handle the ad 2500 ad we can handle the in one account.
In single account we can PPC for
2500
keywords.
Not ad groups. Okay. Apart from then in one single ad group you can handle the 50 ads. Okay, then 2500 in 50 means how much of your calculator? So totally in single account 25 campaigns we can handle, and each campaign we can handle the 2500 ad groups, and each ad groups we can handle the 50 ads. So totally in single account, 2500 into 50 means that much of ad we can handle in single account. You got it? And then how do you describe building your keyword list? First, you should choose the correct keyword to your ad for display your ad the top place of the Google search engine. First, you should identify your audience. So this only help to find the best keywords to your ad. Okay, first you only know your audience in which countries and which kind of people may click to your ad. Okay, so first by using that some kind of keyword tools and Google AdWords reference, you can choose your keywords to your ad. And second one is reviews your existing offerings and look at your competitors. Maybe your competitors already used some amount of business keywords. So by analyzing your competitors, you can get the ideas of creating the new keywords and list of keywords to your ad. And check web analytic result through Google AdWords. That is the help to analytics your PPC ad. Okay, how much of people clicking your the ad and how much of getting benefits from your ad. Okay, through optimize your analytics, you can create more keywords to your ad and expand keywords using various tools. Some kind of tools like Google AdWords, Google Trends. By using the keywords, you can generate some kind of keywords to your ads. Okay, these are the main things to build your keywords to your ad. And apart from Google AdWords, there are two other things giving the opportunity to make the PPC ad. One is the Yahoo and the other one is MSN. Okay, but mostly people are using the Google PPC only for the business purpose because 80% of people only using the PPC ad through Google. In Yahoo, it's not that much of effort to give the opportunity for people through through PPC campaign and other online advertisement. And these are the some questions regarding PPC and ad advertisement. First, based on which Google bases the first base. So Google give the first base of to which one is ad. For which ad having the first place of Google search engines. If which ad having high click CTR means that your ad may getting a chance to being first place of the search result. Okay. For example, if you are having clicking by so many people means your CTR ranges will be improved or increased. So that time it's getting the first place on search engine. And second one is how many campaigns can I run in the one AdWords accounts? It's already I told, it's 25 campaigns. Another one is how many RPMs can I turn under one campaigns? It's 2500 groups. Okay, sorry, it's fault. And how much of characters can I place in one ad? Character means for heading, totally 4 rows they are available to give to place our ad in the ad. Sorry, in the campaign. Headline should be the 25 characters only available. In 25 characters, you should short and smart choose the headline to your ad. And 35 characters for description, including your URL, website URL. So totally
Including
25
including your website
including your website URL. So 35 keywords for description, 25 text tag for your headline. And what is quality score is already I told. Quality score is determined by the quality landing pages and what people using the 11 keywords and 11 description is the same for quality score. And which campaigns are offering PPC advertisement? Totally 3. You Google, Yahoo and MSN. These are the main give the opportunity to the make PPC ad. And how to achieve good CTR. CTR is main thing to improve our PPC ad campaign and getting the good result on Google inorganic result page. First one is target your ads right audience. Already told. Optimize the target audience is the best range for improve the CTR. Okay, then select correct keyword matching. First, for example, you only know what people are using that keyword to your business. So by selecting the correct keyword, is getting make chance to people to click our ad. And see that your target your ads by location and language. Okay, and calculate how much you can afford for the day, and you should optimize first day of your analytics of your ad. First day maybe if you get more clicks and you get low amount of clicks. Okay, so in initial strategy you should optimize your the keyword report and analytics of your ad, and test your ad daily basis since you don't get any response from users. If your ad does not having any response to your business or any getting more amount of people means you should change your keywords and description like that and change the target audience. These are the main thing to improve the CTR. So through improving CTR only we can make our pay-per-click ad on first page. So these are the main concept of PPC and the other things of PPC.